Good day from Kamakura, Japan on this Saturday, September 21st. It's a nice day, a little windy here, which makes it nice to be out walking. It's 28 degrees too. Yeah. Well, here we are, just a few days away from autumn. Yeah, Monday is the autumn equinox, and hopefully we'll have some cooler weather next week. Well, it's been an interesting week. It's sort of quiet, but I have some nice, delicious things to show you in the kitchen. So let me take you back and show you what we've done over this past week. It was Monday morning, and a little cloudy, slightly cooler than usual. And I see this little spider here running away. Tried to set a trap for me here. Alrighty. So how are we doing here? Looking good, looking good. I may not even have to do any more tying up here. Look at this, very nice. Yeah, I see one of them went behind the netting, that's good. Okay, got some male flowers here. Need to see some females. And got a little bug there. I'll leave it alone for now. I don't see any major bug damage. Swiss chard is looking great. I think I can take this off of the turnips here. They're looking good. Very good. Okay, our cabbages, something's eating on them, the smaller ones. And this big one here. Yeah, I think I'll sprinkle some diatomaceous earth today. Let's see what's happening with our Napa cabbages. Well, a little bit of bug damage. So yeah, I'll sprinkle some diatomaceous earth. Everything else looks fairly good. Not as robust looking as I'd like, so I'll give them some fertilizer. Let's go back here and take a look and see how things are over here. Any fruits yet? They're beginning to set. Oh wow, I didn't even notice this. There's one here. Great. Jalapeño. Oh, and another one's coming in here. Very good, very good, very good. How are the carrots doing? Not too bad. Not too bad at all. And these flowers are getting bigger. This is the golden trumpet bush. And here's another. Whoops, that one just fell off. This is done. But hopefully we'll see some more if I don't pull them off. Yeah, we'll see some more. Yep, more coming here as well. Okay, very good, very good. Let me get that diatomaceous earth. Okay, I've got some water here. I'm going to put a couple tablespoons in here. Let's see how this works. Okay. Let's swirl this around a bit. Good shake. Okay, let's go out and see how this works. Uh-oh. The nozzle seems to be jammed. Okay, plan B. I don't have another spray bottle handy, but I do have this squirt bottle here, so let's transfer this here. That should work. Alrighty, I'll just spray it on here. Get down below as well, around the bottoms. Get it inside. Get some on the leaves. Some other plants as well, especially the cabbages. The turnips look okay, but I'm going to get some on them as well. And at the base of the pumpkins. And over here as well. Won't hurt. So hopefully that will take care of some of the predators. Let's see if we have any okra. I think we do. Look at this. Wow, that is huge. Look at that. Wow. And this one here, I think I'll leave this one till tomorrow. We got some here. Yeah, this other one I'll leave till tomorrow. Got more of this weed in here that I'm going to pull up. Okay, so that cleaned up a lot. Hopefully that'll keep the weeds down next year. And this one here, I'll save this for tomorrow. And I'll save this one for tomorrow as well. Yeah, this vine seems to have died back. Yeah, I think it's dead. So I'll take care of this later in the week. Hopefully we'll get some fruit. I think we had one over here. I don't see it anymore. Yeah, when I come to clean it up, either I'll find it or I won't. So what's happening here? These are turning color here. Seems all right. So, not bad. 2 nice pieces of okra. A nice big one and a teeny one. So, pretty good, huh? Also, on my morning walk, I received this from one of my walking buddies. This is a Goya, a bitter melon. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using this, maybe in a stir fry. Oh, and these came today. These are copper cups. Yeah, I bought 2 of them, and they're said to be very good for the health. Well, today, this Monday, is a national holiday here in Japan. It's Respect for the Aged Day. And since I'm officially 1 year away from being a senior citizen, I thought I'd treat myself today. Made another dish here. This one is very similar to the last one I made, chicken and potatoes, but slightly different. I added black and green olives, and the cuts of chicken are a little bit different. This is a leg and thigh, and I've added about 10 little buffalo wings here on the sides. So I'm gonna let this cool down a bit, and then I'll plate up. And I also made a cross between a pie and a cobbler. On the bottom are sliced fresh peaches, and the top some mixed fruit, some strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, with a crumble on top. So I'll show you that in a bit as well. Yeah, I made this with a honey mustard sauce. I'll leave a link below so that you can try the dish for yourself. And it smells wonderful, so let's give it a taste. Yeah, I decided on the leg and the thigh. So let's see. I cooked it for about an hour. Cooked it at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Then I reduced the heat to about 190. So I want to get some of the olives there. Oh God, you got to try this. This is very good. Let me try the potato here. Homegrown potatoes, May Queen. Oh, very nice. Creamy, creamy May Queen. And the honey mustard, it's absolutely fabulous. Just delicious. So please, give it a try. And I just had an idea to sprinkle some confectionery sugar over top of this. Okay, so let's cut a piece. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's give it a try. That's very good. Oh boy. Well, it's Tuesday morning and a little bit misty, very humid. But yeah, the pumpkin, the kabocha pumpkin, looking good. Very nice. Very happy with that so far. Yeah, they're traveling up the trellis on their own. Yeah, I think I better clip some of this Swiss chard here before the bugs get it all. I'll just pinch these bitten ones off here. But they look good. I think everything else looks good too. Let's see how these look. Very good, very good. I don't see any more damage. The bentonite must have worked. Oh, there's something in here. Yeah, there's a little cricket inside there. There he goes. Or that was a moth. There it is. Can you see it? Right on the leaf there. So that's what was eating it, most likely. Oh, wow, we've got a strawberry. It's not terribly pretty, but kind of tasty, a little tart. Yeah, see we have some more coming in here and over here. A little late season treat. A lot of weeds in here. Okay, how are things over here? Yeah, I think our vines have died back for the most part. This one is still growing. The others seem dead here. Yeah, they're all dead. How are we doing here? Yeah, good. This is growing nicely. Alrighty, how are we doing here? These look great. Very good, very good. Looks like we've got some okra that can be harvested. Very good. So it looks like just these two today. That's good. Got plenty more in the fridge. Okay, let's do some harvesting here. Very nice colors here. Purples, yellows. Okay, I don't want to take them all at one time, so I'll just take the bigger ones for now. And let the smaller ones get bigger, then we'll come back for them when they're ready. Yeah, while I'm at it, any that are distressed, like these here, I'll go ahead and get rid of. Let's see if Haru likes these. Haru, come here. Like this? No? Okay. Okay, that's enough for a little bit of a salad. Not bad at all. I like that. Okay, my water has come to a boil. So I'm going to take all of my okra and blanch them for a few minutes. Okay, I can give that 2 minutes. Okay, that's 2 minutes. Let's cool these down. Some of them have a nice color, but this one here doesn't. So I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. And this one here looks a little woody. I'll set that aside. This one too. And this one. And the rest look okay. Okay, so I'll let these dry here in the rack. And I'll clean my Swiss chard next. Okay, let's get these spun. So there we have it. Not a whole lot. That's enough for me. And it's Wednesday, a beautiful day. Still warm and muggy, but things are looking good out here. Yeah, the kabocha pumpkin is looking very nice. Very good indeed. The green beans are looking better. And let's see, no more strawberries. Not ripe ones anyway. Okay. Thursday morning, very cloudy, still warm and humid, but would you look at this, looking good. The pumpkins are almost as tall as I am, and they're looking really good. Yeah, these lower leaves I can go ahead and get rid of, especially the ones that are yellowed. Yeah, over here as well. Okay, yeah, they look good. They're still all male. Hopefully we'll see some females soon. Usually the males come out first. Okay, so no okra today. That's fine. And things look a lot more clear. See, this here, this pile, this should be inside the bin here, but something has dug it out. That's all right. Compost is compost. And you see this here. This is Kudzu. And it has gone crazy this year. And this is what it looks like when it flowers. These are Kudzu flowers and seeds. So, yeah, keep the seeds away from here. I'll just rip off the flowers for now. Yeah, look at this here. This is something else. Yeah, it's gone wild this year, this kudzu, and it's over everything. All over these trees, all down below. That's bamboo underneath that there. But the kudzu has taken over everywhere in this area. Yeah, even on top of that tree there. It's covered in kudzu. Yeah, extremely bad this year. I'm not sure why. I guess it's the heat. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see what this tree looks like normally. It's covered so much here. Yeah, Haru, it's Kudzu time. How are you? Okay, let's get everything watered. Oh, it's Thursday evening, and we're getting some much needed rain. And we've got a thunderstorm with lightning, and finally some cool weather. So yeah, everything will be happy to get some nice, refreshing rain. Oh, we had quite the rainfall yesterday, but this morning, nice, very nice. Everything's got a nice drenching, but something has really attacked my Swiss chard. So I'm glad these are covered. Maybe I should have covered these too. Oh well. But look at this here, very nice. I'm seeing some nice growth here. Yeah, see this here? Yeah, we've got a fruit coming in. Yeah, so that's a female. Another one over here. Very good, very good. So hopefully around about mid-November, when it starts getting cooler, we'll have some kabocha pumpkin. The hocksai here is growing nicely. I'm going to leave it covered. Alrighty. Yeah, the beans are looking better. This group anyway. This one here is a little bit weak. Yeah, I'm noticing good growth on the pineapple as well. They're getting bigger. No fruit yet, maybe next year. That's all right. And we have some flowers on the golden trumpet bush, ready to open. And this here is the white trumpet bush. This will open soon too. Very nice, very nice. Oh, there's another one here. Great, fantastic. Okay, let's take a quick look down below, see how the jalapeños are doing. Very good, very good. Got a nice drenching. And further in, let's check on the growth of the okra. Very nice. In a day or so, we'll be able to harvest that. Yeah, tomorrow will be good. And some more coming in over here. Very good, very good, very good.